Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is open, navigate to the presentation you want to enhance with interactive elements. This process assumes you have already created or stored the presentation file, so simply open that file to begin working. After your presentation appears on the screen, take a moment to identify the text or image that you would like to turn into an interactive link. This element is the one that your audience will click on to move to another section of your presentation. If you haven't yet made the decision on which element should serve as your link, consider visuals or words that stand out, or those that complement the overall flow of your presentation. With your cursor, click on the chosen text or image to select it. This selection is essential as it indicates to PowerPoint that you want to attach a hyperlink to this element. A clear visual cue such as a border or different background indication can confirm that your selection is active and ready for editing. Once the element is selected, direct your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window where several tabs are available. Locate and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains a variety of tools designed to add content and functionality to your slides, and among these tools is the option for inserting links. The Insert tab is a central hub for enriching your slides with interactive features. Within the Insert tab, find the option labeled Link and select it. This action will open the menu or dialog box that allows you to configure the hyperlink settings for your selected text or image. It is during this stage that you begin defining what the link will do and where it will direct viewers within your presentation. In the resulting dialog box, you will see several options, and you should select the command that reads Insert Link. Choosing this option confirms your intent to add a hyperlink and prepares PowerPoint to let you specify the destination for that hyperlink. On the left side of the dialog, you will find a section titled Place in this document. Select this option to indicate that the link will direct viewers to another slide within the same presentation. This step is particularly useful for creating interactive and non-linear presentations that allow for a more engaging viewer experience. After selecting Place in this document, PowerPoint will display a list of all the slides in your presentation. Carefully review the list and choose the slide where you want the hyperlink to lead. By linking to a specific slide, you can create a dynamic presentation that jumps between topics or sections depending on viewer interaction. Once you have confirmed your slide destination, finalize the hyperlink by clicking OK. This final confirmation saves the hyperlink settings and embeds the interactive link into your chosen text or image. When the presentation is delivered, the audience will be able to click on the interactive element to navigate directly to the slide you selected without any extra steps. By following these steps consistently, you can enhance your PowerPoint presentations to be more engaging and interactive, ensuring that your audience has a clear and connected viewing experience throughout your slides.